Will amending my tax return impact future years? Have you ever wondered if fixing a mistake on your tax return could cause trouble down the road? Well, let's find out what really happens when you amend your tax return and how it might affect your future filings. First, amending a tax return is meant to correct errors or add information you missed the first time. This could be anything from changing your income, deductions, credits, or filing status. You usually have up to 3 years from the original due date to file an amendment for a refund or correction. If you wait longer, the IRS probably won't accept your change. When you file an amended return, it can draw extra attention from the IRS because they will compare your original and amended versions. This comparison might lead to a closer look or even an audit. But if you include proper documentation to support your changes, it shows you're following tax rules and can reduce the chance of problems. Now, amending your return does not extend the time the IRS has to review your original filing. The IRS generally has 3 years from the original deadline to audit or assess additional taxes. Filing an amendment does not reset this clock unless there is fraud or significant underreporting involved. If your amendment results in a higher income or different deductions, it can influence your future tax situations. For example, if you get a larger refund from an amended state return, you need to report that refund on your federal return in the year you receive it. This can affect your taxable income for that year. Also, changes to deductions or credits might impact how much you owe or can carry forward to future years. A common mistake is waiting too long to file an amendment, which can mean losing your right to correct errors or claim refunds. Another mistake is not attaching proof for the changes, which can trigger audits or delays. It's also important to understand that amending a return does not reset the IRS audit clock, so don't assume it will buy extra time. To avoid issues, file amendments promptly, keep good records of your supporting documents, and understand how changes might affect future filings. Consulting a tax professional can help you navigate this process smoothly and stay compliant. Remember, fixing mistakes early and correctly is the best way to keep your tax situation clear and avoid future complications.